Hey guys, so how do you cancel your order in TikTok Shop from a seller's perspective? So first and foremost, let's just go ahead to the shop here in order for you guys to let's go to the seller account here. So it's absolutely easy to cancel out, so to say, the orders, and then you could easily just process them, refund if you want to, if you're out of stock, so to say. You could cancel your product, and then process the refund from there. Okay, so it's just loading a little bit here, so just bear with me in this one. Here we go. So it's absolutely really easy. It's here on the orders. So manage orders, manage cancellations. So here's where you actually have to do this: manage returns. So just click on manage orders. You could again cancel if you have an order here in this case, and that's just basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.